In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get your teleprompter set up in working order with the Riverside app while ensuring everything functions smoothly for your recording session. Let's dive straight into the process and get you ready for a seamless experience. To start, if you have a teleprompter in your arsenal of video gear, you'll want to get that set up first. Make sure everything is assembled according to the manufacturer's instructions. It's important that it's secure and positioned correctly for optimal use. This will help keep your eye line natural when you're recording, providing a more professional look. Next, you'll need to connect your phone to the Riverside app. This is the platform that will help us achieve a high-quality recording setup. Make sure your app is up to date and your phone is on the same Wi-Fi network as your computer for seamless connectivity. Once the app is open, follow any necessary prompts to get connected. This might include logging in or scanning a code on your desktop screen, which ensures a secure and easy connection. Once your phone is synced with the app, it's time to fine-tune the settings for effective recording. Disable the phone camera and mute yourself. These steps are crucial because they help redirect the video and audio input to your preferred setup, usually a higher quality camera and separate microphone. It avoids interference from secondary audio and video streams that might disrupt your recording's clarity. With your phone ready, go ahead and carefully place it inside the teleprompter. Make sure it's aligned properly, as the text should appear clear and legible on the glass for smooth reading. If your teleprompter setup includes adjustments for different device sizes, use those to fit your phone securely. This allows you to maintain that consistent eye contact with your viewers, creating a more engaging and intimate presentation. Now, it's time to switch to the Riverside web interface. Here, we'll finalize our setup by selecting your desired camera. You'll want to choose your high-quality camera. This could be an external webcam or any other professional camera you have integrated with your computer. This step ensures that your recording captures the best possible video quality you can provide. And there you have it, all set up and ready to record with your teleprompter and Riverside app. This streamlined setup will help eliminate distractions during your presentation and allow you to focus on delivering your content the way you intend. Remember, the smoother this process is, the more professional and polished your final product will appear to your audience. So basically, thank you for tuning in today as we prepped your teleprompter setup. With these easy steps, you're now ready to create your own stunning video content. Happy recording!